Aatithya FrontDesk module. It manages all types of data of hotels or resorts, like reservation, walk-in check-in of guests, and provide room service and other services to them. New reservation entry. This form used for doing reservation in hotel or resort. Click on Add button to add new reservation. Booking number will auto-generated. Select company name. Enter name of guest. Or you want to pick from previous. Enter address. Select arrival city. Or add new city. If your guest came from foreign, and you choose its city, you need to fill these details. Select purpose like official tourist, corporate, personal, other. Enter mobile number. Select arrival city of guest. Status, select walk-in, regular, VIP, diplomat, house guest, or special guest. Select complimentary guest, in case of non-chargeable customers. Enter percent of discount if you want to give discount to guest. Select mode of payment for taking advance. Select mode of reservation. Mode of travel. You can enter booking number and date, if reservation done through online or channel manager. Select source of business. Select market segment. Select travel agent name, if you get reservation through travel agent. Enter number of rooms for booking and number of adult. Select room category, or room number. When you select room number, enter room number here. Arrival date and time is auto-filled, or enter arrival date and time. Enter number of days guest will stay. Departure date and time, generate automatically on the basis of days. Select room category. Enter number of rooms. Select plan, package. Enter number of occupancy according to room or packs. Enter number of child if any. Rate is generate automatically according to room plan or package. It is editable. Here we reserve 2 rooms, so we need to fill the details of second room here. Tax inclusive, select yes when tax is inclusive in rate, otherwise select no. Service charge applicable, select yes when service charge is added in rate, otherwise select no. Select reservation status confirm, tentative, or waiting. Save it. If you want to take deposit in advance, then select yes. Enter payment type and advance amount. Save it. Now you receive the advance payment of this reservation. Advance, to receive advance payment. Pickup details. Here you can fill details of pickup of your guest. Foreigner detail. Fill all detail of foreign guest here. Send mail. When you enter the email address when reserve, it send the reservation details to the guest email ID. Reservation dashboard. Here you can see the category-wise reservation, for current month and upcoming month to check availability of rooms. Cancel booking. Click here to cancel booking, enter reason and click on OK. No show. In case your guest not arrived on booking date, then on clicking No Show button, insert reason. Edit reservation entry. This form is used to edit the room details, for updating room number, category, or plan/package, or adult or child or rate. Walkin check-in entry. This form is used to check in guests via reservation or direct. Click on Add button, to add new check-in. All reservation or booking number is display of current date. Choose booking number, all detail related to booking number is auto-filled. Or you can do direct check-in, without choosing booking number. Check-in date and time is auto-filled. Enter number of days to stay. Expenditure checkout date and time, generate automatically on the basis of days. Enter name of guest. Or if you want to pick from previous check-in, click on all. Enter address, city, and mobile number of the guest. Select purpose of visit. If guest is referred through company, then select company. Or to add new company using add button. Select ID proof type and enter ID proof number. Enter arrival city. Destination. Select source of business. Market segment. If you give discount, then enter discount percentage. Select payment mode, to get advance payment. Select status of guest like VIP. We can add new status using guest status master. Added. Enter tax name, type, and percentage. Save it. Booking reference number and date. Enter booking number and date done via OTA. In case no charge, select yes on management block. Select complimentary, for room, meal, or both. Select room number. Only available rooms will show. Select plan package. Number of adult and child. Rate generate automatically according to room package, it is editable. Tax inclusive, select yes when tax is inclusive in rate, otherwise select no. Service charge applicable, select yes when service charge is added in rate, otherwise select no. Leader. Select yes or no. Multi-room check-in bill generated leader room GRC. Upload guest image, or insert image via webcam. Upload ID proof of guest, and it will save in our database for future need. Add guest. You can add details of one or more guest here. Vehicle detail. Add vehicle details of guest. Save it. Payment receive entry. This form is used to receive payment. Click on Add button. Select payment type. When you choose booking, you need to enter booking number. If you choose bill or today or early checkout, or BTC settlement, you need to enter bill number. If you choose in-house, you need to enter room number. Total bill amount, paid amount and balance amount is auto-filled according to booking number or room number or bill number. If you want to receive payment of bill to company settlement, first select it. Select bill number from company. All pending bills are shows here. Select it. Select payment type. According to pay mode, relative fields will open. Enter amount. Narration if any. Save it. Now payment is received. Checkout entry is used to check out guest, and bill will be printed from here. Click on Add button. Checkout date and time is auto-filled. You can edit it. Enter room number. All details are auto-filled. Here you see room rent, extra charges, and service charge. Advance vouchers and other payment receiving is showing with payment mode, receipt no, and amount. Room service and other outlet bills of room service nature is showing with the name of outlet, amount and count of person. Gross amount and net amount of room rent, and discount, round off. Net total of bill and adjusted amount or balance amount with other invoices is showing. Save it. Select Yes to print checkout bill. Room checkout entry. This form is used to check out one room of group check-in. You can't check out leader room. If you select leader room, then you have to select other room of that GRC as leader room. Split bill printing. This form is used to split the main bill into sub-bills, like split laundry bill, room service bill, and other bills from room bill. Enter bill number. And enter serial number on split column. Here we split bill into two bills, so we enter 1 and 2 in the split column. Then click on detail. Now bills are split. Night audit entry. This form is used for posting the room rent of the day to all the checked-in rooms, at a one-click, but make sure that the bills are settled during this process. This process is called day-end process. Change guest profile. This form is used to update the personal details of guest. Guests whose bills are generated, their profile can also change. Enter GRC number. And details will filled automatically. Click on Update to update the details. Commission agent posting. This form is used to posting the commission of resort agent. Their commission is fixed. Commission agent is created from company master. Enter from date and to date. Select commission agent. Click on post for posting the ledger of that commission agent, else unpost the previous charge. Miscellaneous income entry. This form is used to entering miscellaneous income, which are done on daily basis. Click on Add button. Select user. Enter amount. Select mode of payment. Remark if any and save it. Miscellaneous expense entry. This form is used to entering miscellaneous expenses which are done on daily basis. Click on Add button. Select User. Enter amount. Select mode of payment. Remark if any and save it. Print blank GRC. It is used for printing blank GRC. Room Inquiry Register. It is used to maintain the data of the persons who came to your resort for inquiring. Click on Add button to add new inquiry. Enter name of contact person. Enter guest name. Enter address of guest. Arrival city. Mobile number. And other details. Choose mode. Call type. Hot, for confirm booking. Cold, for tentative booking. Business source. Enter room details here. Choose category of room. Plan or package. Arrival and expected departure date. Number of rooms and number of persons. On the behalf of these details, net amount will calculate it. Save it. New inquiry is saved. Room inquiry follow-up. Room inquiry follow-up is done against the room inquiries. Follow-up shows all the inquiries to be followed up. Click on Follow-up. Then click on Add, and enter date. And comment. Select Status, Close, Cancel or Follow-up. Then click on OK. Closed dot shows closed or confirm inquiries. Company Payment Receive Entry. This form is used for receiving payments of those bills that are settled to respective company. Click on Add button. Select company name for receiving payment. Pending bills are shown at right side grid. Select bills. Amount will fill automatically. Select payment type for bills. Save it. Amount is credited in ledger of that company. Guest Health Checkup. This form is used to store the temperature of the guest. Click on Add button. Enter date. And enter the temperature of guest. And save it. Dashboard. Dashboard is main screen of FrontDesk. Here you can check current occupancy, arrivals, departures, expected arrival, expected departures, room status, and pending bills. Current occupancy. Rows with brown color showing leader room of group check-in. Rows with blue color showing that current guest is selected. Rows with yellow color showing current occupied rooms. And rows with red color showing that bill will be generated for those guests, but payment is pending. To see the availed services by the guest, click on Service button. To see the guest detail, click on Guest. Arrivals. This shows the guests who are arriving today with their name and other room details. Departures. This shows the guests who have today's departure. Expected arrivals. It shows list of guests who is booking for today and expected to arrive. For modify arrival date and other details, double-click to guest name and modify details. Expected departures. It shows the list of guests who have today's departure. Room status. It will show room-wise display which rooms are vacant and which is occupied. On clicking on any room it will show guest detail. You can also do checkout and see other details. Pending bills. This show all the unsettled bills whose bill is generated but payment is pending. If you want to use these entries, first select guest name. Then click on entry. Suppose we want to change guest profile of Rahul Bankda. First select Rahul Bankda, then click on change guest profile. Change guest profile. This form is used for changing the personal details of guest. In-house guest message. This form is used to note message from guest to someone and vice versa. Amend stay. This form is used to change the departure date of any guest. Room change entry. This form is used to change the room of guest. Enter new room number. New plan. And save it. Display folio. Check the folio and for printing the provisional bill of guest. Service charge entry. This form is used to provide charge for extra services. These are service names that you can select to apply charge. You can add new service using Service Charge Master. Suppose we add extra bed 28% service charge. Select ledger account in which revenue will reflected. Select nature like room charge, meal charge, internet charge, etc. Enter adult rate. Child rate. Insert date from which this charge applicable. Select applicable tax structure. Insert service accounting code. Discount. Select yes for giving discount permission. Backdate allow. Select yes for charge will applicable on previous date. Save it. Now this service name is added. Enter amount. And save it. Now charge is applied. You can see the new charges is applied on provisional bill. Paid out entry. This form is used to provide paid out, or any type of discount. Select paid out name. You can add new paid out name, using Paid Out Master. Click on Add button, enter name. Select ledger account in which revenue will reflected. Select nature. Insert rate. And applicable date from which this charge applicable. Select applicable tax structure. Save it. Now new name added in paid out name. Select it. Save it. You can see the new discount is applied on provisional bill. Payment Receive Entry. This form is used to receive payment from guest. Select payment type. Enter amount. Save it. Now payment is received. Checkout entry. This form is used to do checkout entry of the guest. Checkout date, time, and other detail is auto-filled. Click on Save to Checkout. If you want to print checkout bill, select Yes. All guest in status. Here you can view and print the status of all guests. Reservation calendar. View the reservation of current month and upcoming month. Checkout bill reprint. Reprint the checkout bill. Checkout bill cancel. Select Yes to cancel the checkout bill. Bill number will skip if it was not last checkout. Refund entry. To refund the advance and other payment receiving, select payment type and save it. Floor Master. Here we can create floors of resort like ground floor, first floor, etc. Click on Add button. Enter name of floor. Save it. When we create room using Room Master, floor is used. Room Feature Master. Here we can create features of room like AC, non-AC, Wi-Fi, etc. Click on Add button. Enter name of feature. Save it. When we create room using Room Master, room feature is used. Room Category Master. Here you can create categories of room like standard, deluxe, suite, etc. Click on Add button. Enter category name. Enter short name of category. Enter total number of rooms in this category. Applicable date, date from which this category applicable. Account name, ledger account in which revenue will reflected. You can add or edit account from Account Master. Tax structure. Select applicable tax structure. You can add new tax structure from Tax Structure Master. This is the tax structure for room. 6% CGST tax, 6% SGST tax is applied between 1001 and 7,500 rupees. 9% CGST tax, 9% SGST tax is applied between 7,501 and 99,999 rupees. Click on Add button. Enter name of tax. Applicable date from which tax applicable. Enter tax name. Calculated on. Select formula like tax or item value. Type. Select percent, or slab or rate. If you select percent, enter percent here. If you select slab or rate, then enter amount here. Save it. You can't delete tax structure. Select Active No if no longer for use. Rate, select room rate. Set properties, select your site. Overbooking, select overbooking in percent, or count. This allows you to overbooking. Fill rate for single person. Rate for two person. Rate for three person. Quadrant rate. Rate for extra adult and extra child rate. Note, you can't delete room category. Select Active No if no longer for use. When we create room using Room Master, room category is used. Room Master. Add new room for your resort. Click on Add button. Enter room number. Enter room name. Select floor. Room category. Tick on the available feature of room. Insert image of room here. You can't delete room category. Select Active No if no longer for use. Save it. You can't delete room category. Select Active No if no longer for use. Room display screen. This shows the display screen of rooms. By clicking on the room number, you can see the image of room. Service Charge Master. This form is used to create service charge like extra bed charge, laundry charge, internet charge, etc. Click on Add button. Enter service charge name. Select ledger account in which revenue will reflect it. Select nature, like room charge or meal charge or internet charge, etc. Enter adult rate. Child rate. Applicable date. Insert date from which this charge applicable. Select applicable tax structure. Enter service accounting code. Discount. Select yes for giving discount permission. Backdate allow. Select yes for charge will applicable on previous date. Save it. New service charge is created. When we do service charge entry, this service name is used. You can't delete service charge. Select Active No if no longer for use. Paid out master. You can add new paid out name using paid out master. We are already discussed about the paid out master at a time of doing paid out entry. Meal master. Here you can create meal plan like EP, CP, AP, MAP. Click on Add button to add new meal plan. Enter name of meal plan. Select ledger account in which revenue will reflect it. Select applicable tax structure. Enter meal rate for single person. For two person. For three person. For four person. Enter extra rate for an adult. For child. Save it. Now new meal plan is created. Meal plan is used in Room Rate Master. Room Rate Master. Here you can create room rate, or room plan or package. This is the net rate for room plan. MAP pre. It includes room rate and meal rate. Click on Add button to add new room rate. Enter plan or package name. Short name. Select room category, which we are already created using Room Category Master. The room rate is auto-filled according to room category. Applicable date. Insert date from which this plan will applicable. Enter minimum amount taken in case of reservation. Type. Select meal type like CP, AP, EP, MAP. Select discount applicable on room, on meal, on both, or none. Retention charge, insert amount or percent of charge. Tax include. Select yes if tax include in rate. Enter cancellation charge. Service charge, select yes or no. Select meal plan, which we are already created using Meal Master. The meal rate is filled according to meal plan. Now net amount is calculated. Save it. When we do walk-in check-in entry for a guest, and select room plan, the room rate is auto-filled according to room plan. Weekend room rate master. Here you can create weekend room rate, or plan, or package. All the details are same as room rate master, only tick on checkbox of weekend days, for activating plan. When we do walk-in check-in entry and weekend days, the room rate is auto-filled according to weekend room rate. Business Source Master. Here you can create sources of business like corporate, walk-in, self, etc. Click on Add button. Enter business source name. Save it. Now new business source is added. These business sources used in new reservation entry and walk-in check-in entry. Market Segment Master. Here you can create market segment like advertisement, fit, walk-in, etc. Click on Add button. Enter market segment name. Save it. Market segment is used in new reservation entry and walk-in check-in entry. Guest Status Master. Here you can create guest category for applying other tax category. For example, 18% CGST and 18% SGST tax is applied for VIP guest. We are already discussed about this entry in walk-in/check-in entry process. Company Master. Here you can add new company that are tie up with your hotel or resort. Click on Add button. Enter company name. Under Group, always select Sundry Debtors. Enter short name. Select nature of the company like corporate, agent, OTA, NGO, education or common agent. Enter company details like contact person, address, mobile number, email, etc. Select discount type. If you select discount amount or fixed rate, then enter the amount. If you select discount percent, then choose discount on room, meal or both. Allow credit, select yes or no. If company room rate are different from normal room rate, then fill from grip open at right. Select room rate. Enter room rate for single, double, triple, quadrant, extra adult. Enter GST number of company. Save it. You can't delete company, select active no if no longer for use. Forecasting Master. This form is used to forecast occupancy, ADR average daily rate, revenue per available room, room revenue, and total revenue for upcoming months. Vehicle Master. This form is used to create vehicle details. Click on Add button. Enter registration number of vehicle. Enter company name and model. Enter manufacturing year. Select name of driver. You can add new driver. Follow this process. In Utility module, click on Department Master. Add new department like driver name using Department Master. Then add new staff using Staff Master. For example, Ahmed is new driver, then select department name as driver name, save it. Currency Master. This form is used to add new currency for different country like rupees, dollar, etc. It helps you in identify the current value of currency. For example, here we add new currency like dollar. Enter lower currency of dollar. Enter symbol. Enter description like $1 value in rupees. Save it. Daily Currency Rate Master. This form is used for updating rate for currencies. Enter updated rate in rate column. Save it. Now new rupees value is updated for $1. Reports. Here you can generate and print different reports like revenue collection reports, arrival departure reports, reservation reports, occupancy analysis reports, and log reports. For example, if you want to see user-wise collection report, click on it. You can filter your report according to these fields. Enter date to see report. Click on print. Now report is generated. You can print and save report in PDF or Excel sheet. You can also filter fields according to username, then select the usernames which you want to see in report. And click on OK, then print. Now report is filtered. Check or print reports like collection register, user-wise collection report, bill to company report, tax register, check-in register, checkout register, reservation report, occupancy report, guest analysis report.